Hello everyone and welcome to this new episode of our Spotlight series. Today we will present the future of the home which is available now with Wiser Solution. Our vision of the future of the home, as you know, is built on 4 pillars which are safety, smart, style and sustainability. Today we will explore 2 key pillars that form the foundation of our vision for the future-ready living: smart automation and style. At Schneider Electric, we believe that smart is not just a feature, this is the digital integration of our solutions in the home. In fact, our advanced smart solutions are designed to protect people, assets and against fires from electrical hazard, and also brings in a lot of convenience in your day-to-day life. This is what we bring with our Wiser platform. Just imagine a home where your smart devices not only enhance convenience, they also detect and respond to potential dangers. I have the pleasure to be here today with Chetan, who will take a deep dive into this topic. Over to you, Chetan.
Thank you, Denis, and hello everyone. I'm excited to explore the detailed integration of our smart and style through our innovative solutions. I'm so thrilled to be showcasing to you our brand new series of connected switches and sockets. It's Milu's Lara, Milu's Zeta and Unica. Together, through our Wiser home automation, they create a picture of future of homes in India. Made smart home possible in Indian households. So let's take a closer look at some of the key products that facilitate this integration. The first is Smart Switch. It's compatible with wide range of home appliances including geysers, air conditioners, refrigerators, both LED and fluorescent lamps. This versatility makes it a must-have for any modern homes. Our smart fan controller not only enhances your comfort but also promotes energy efficiency. It features an integrated energy monitoring along with overload and voltage protection, ensuring your home is both safe and efficient. Next, we move to Smart Relays, which allows you to remotely control 2 electrical appliances simultaneously. Designed to help you manage energy consumptions effectively. It also includes integrated energy monitoring capabilities. Next product is IR controller. This enables you to schedule, monitor and remotely operate your devices. So whether you are at home or away, you can effortlessly control your environment. We also have multi-protocol gateway. This enables seamlessly with third-party products, ensuring a holistic and simplified home automation solution. On top of smart features, we have worked with our design and ergonomics team to create a perfect design which fits in modern households. We have focused on shapes, materials and colors that can fit any wall. So the switches and sockets make the perfect cherry on the cake for your interior design. So that wraps up our overview of smart and style. We are committed to making your home smarter and more energy efficient. Back to you, Denis.
Thanks a lot, Chetan, for that detailed explanations. At Schneider Electric, we believe that the future of the home should do more than respond to your needs, they should anticipate them. By combining smart with style, we are creating in fact the spaces where families can live comfortably and securely, knowing their home is working for them. All of this has been possible by putting under one Wiser app all the pillars of the future of the home, and it's available now. Thank you very much for joining me today, but there is still much more to come in this special series. Until then, stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon.